Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for Snapchat. To sign up for Snapchat, you will firstly need to download the application of Snapchat either from the Play Store or the App Store. You cannot sign up to Snapchat using the website. Now after the application has been downloaded on your device, you can tap open the application and from here tap on sign up. Now type in your first name and your last name and then tap on sign up and accept. Now select your date of birth and then click on continue. Now your username will be automatically selected, or if you want you can also change your username by tapping on change my username. But if you like the username that is given, you can tap on continue. Now it's time to set a password. Create a password that is at least 8 characters long and also include numbers and special characters to make your password strong. Now after you type in the password, you can tap on continue. Next, you need to type in your email address, or you can also sign up using your phone number. And then tap on continue. Next, you'll need to type in your mobile number. Choose your country code and type in your mobile number. Now a code will be sent to your mobile number. You will need to enter the code to be able to sign up. And just like that, you have been signed up for Snapchat. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and we will be back soon with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.